Everybody is screen recording me. Oi, oi. Hello, my boyfriend. My boyfriend number 6. Hello. Are you, Abby? Are you at work? Oh, at home. You don't have work, yeah? Okay, on camera at home. Okay, what are you doing? Wow, please, no. Why you need to record me always on my live? I feel shy that everybody's watching me in your channel. My Wi-Fi, what happened? What is going on in the chat? I have no idea also. My Wi-Fi or yours? Okay, I will on my Wi-Fi because you are my mom and I love you so much. RIP. Oh, thank you so much. No, I'm not famous. I wish I am. I've only 5,000 subscribers. Looks like you are at the beach house today. No, no. 5,000, yes, 5,000 subscribers. Almost 6, but sometimes YouTube removes some of it. So, yeah. This week, YouTube removed 500 subscribers. You have only 61. You keep posting. Yeah, I only have 5,000. And others, imagine my friend is 40,000. Why you have only 300 subscribers? Are you posting also? Sorry, sometimes I don't want to sub because I will be in the shadow ban. So I don't want that YouTube will ban me. Yeah. You have only 20. You know what you will do is to keep posting and posting and posting. If you want to be a YouTuber, you have to post and post and post. Just like you act. Just like what I did.